Adventures of Eduardo and Ricardo.
Eduardo and Ricardo. Alright, let's play some Megan Trainor videos, get hyped up.
I woke up in tears with you by my side, breath of relief, and I realized no one I promised tomorrow. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye. Wherever we're standing.
Except Evan. Ricardo, except. But I know the you retard video, so. You retard.
Yeah, it's the MP5. Let's go. I don't know why I find that picture so funny. It's just you retard.
You retard. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd like
Ouch.
to.
Take me to my blog headquarters.
I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my
American boy, he said. I'm liking this American boy, American boy. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick it with you. You'll be my.
I'm buying P50.
You're gonna buy PT50?
Yeah.
I'll someone to drop. Got him. I'm watching doors.
I see him.
He's a chicken? Yep.
Has to be super low, so one or two shots. Yeah.
The Adventures of Nice job. Nice job, Ricardo. Come here, give me a hug. I haven't bought any type of grenades, dude. Unfortunate. Where's he at?
Was that admiral.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Well, I know you're not that good. Well, you know what? Maybe he is that good. I actually need to start using AP5 more. I've like never used it.
SMGs are essential.
Yep, I hear him. Right next to him.
He's very far.
Beasted. I just stole your kill. How do you feel? How do you feel? And then they might walk through the smoke, dude. Or they're yeah. They're both long. He had a P90. I didn't know what to do there. Nice job. Nice job, Ricardo. Look, I don't know why every time I look at my face, I just laugh.
Oh, behind me.
Where's he at?
Behind me. Eduardo.
Yeet!
Oh.
What? How much damage? I did 34 damage to him.
It really be like that. Yourself.
Oh my gosh.
You knew everyone wanted to switch over.
What kind of Glock shot was that? That was crazy. Oh my gosh, I had to reload. I had to reload. He killed him.
He teleported around the corner. I was lagging. Got me over there. Got one.
You see the other?
I got one. Dude is hit for 30.
You still have an MP5, or I'll watch the doorway coming around to drop as well.
What? This dude killed me through the smoke and he didn't see me once. He make a move.
I don't think he knows he's on the terrorist side, dog. Now I'm playing time. I'm gonna play time for now.
You know, the fact that they have, like, in the inventory, like, the C4 shows up and, like, the Zeus shows up makes me think that they're planning on the C4 and Zeus skins.
What? Did you say it back?
What?
Did you say good night?
I actually can't hear you.
Did you say good night?
Say none?
Did you say good night?
No.
Let's get this bread. They're both dropped.
Alright, I'm gonna try and loop around. Nice
Yeah,
loop.
go along. And then trap him in.
Darn it.
He's gonna come around. There's no way.
He's going long now.
Now I gotta do it to you.
Yo, Ethan, you there?
Yeah.
My game crashed. It was like really loud for a second about kicking out. They're long.
Yep. They're both long.
Oh my god.
He's using a Bison.
They both rush.
Ah! 42 damage. I took 34. No way. No way. No. No way. He did not see me from over there. There's no way. Dude. Yeah, no way. No way. No. 75 damage given? Oh, okay. No, skin looked so good whenever I bought it. And then now I'm looking at it, I'm like, eh. It's not for anything else. No way. I can't drop. I can't drop. You would've heard me. Oh my gosh! I don't know what to do!
Fake reload. Does 360.
No way. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, Ricardo! No way! No, 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 no! No!
Oh, I can look like you. What do you got it?
Defusing the bomb.
I wanted to get his AK.
Play reaction.
What? Oh, I did not see him.
Jump.
Nice. No way! Yes! No way! No way!